Hi, my name's Tara from BGR Solutions. This product here, one of the boys showed me yesterday as I was about to put it on social media, and I thought, why not give it a go and see what it's like. So let's have a look what it says on the box. On the box, it's called the BlendJet 2. The real reason why I wanted to try it for myself was because it's a portable blender. As you know, when you have blenders at home, sometimes if you're out and about or if you do have a busy life, then it is quite hard to sometimes get a smoothie done in the mornings. For example, a lot of our team do go to the gym and sometimes they like protein shakes during the day, so this is one of their best options. On the side, it says it's portable, it is powerful, you charge it via the USB at the front, it is a USB Type-C, it is like a lot of the phones that they use now, and also it's self-cleaning. Later on in the video, I will show you how to clean it. Now to look at the BlendJet 2 itself. On the back, it says there, the arrow, and it shows you exactly where to put it. So just in case you don't think it's secured in properly, it shows you where to do it. It also shows you on the back the milliliters. For example, if you have a protein shake or anything like that and you need to put a certain measurement in it, it tells you exactly what to do, okay? On the front, which I will show you later on in the video, here's the button here. It has 3 different modes. You have turbo mode, you have pulse mode, and you also have a mode that is sort of like freezing it. So that way, when you're drinking it, you haven't got to worry about it blending whilst you're drinking it. One of the most important things when you first buy this device is you need to clean it first. As shown in the video now, I'll show you how to clean it. It is very simple. You get some water. I'm just using this water for now because we don't have a sink here, okay? So just pour a little bit of water in and you add a little bit of soap. Make sure it's done up nice and tight. And then on the front, you press the button. Leave it for a few seconds. You stop it, and it will just clean the stuff that's inside it out. As you heard, it is very quiet and it's not very loud. Okay, now it's time to test the BlendJet. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put some mango in here. This has been frozen. Put some berries in. And then I've got some mixed fruit here. So you've got some strawberries, some apple, a few different little bits in here. And now I'm just going to put some water in. Make sure the lid's on tight. Okay, as you can see, there is still some bits in it, so I'm just going to do it a bit more. As you can see, I don't have to hold it. As you can see, I can walk around with it, and it is still working. Okay, as you can see, because of the berries, there is still bits in it. If you do like it very, very smooth, then you can just keep going. As it is now blended, we need someone to test it. I'd like to introduce our new member of staff, Guillermo, and he's going to test it. And let's hopefully, I don't poison him.
It's perfect. Tastes so good.
Perfect. Now, as you can see, I didn't poison him, so I did quite well. These are very, very good, and in my opinion, I will be trying different stuff at home, like pasta sauce and stuff like that, and I'm sure I will be posting a Facebook post soon myself, okay? But if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask us. You can message us via Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and you can also order them via our website. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask us.